Hi friends, today we'll see where Dassault System CATIA application is using in worldwide, in which domain they are using CATIA software. Here is a few example like in aerospace domain, in automobile domain, marine, rail transport, construction and agriculture, energy, industrial equipment. Here we'll see which companies basically they are using in which domain this CATIA application. I given here example. Nowadays everyone shifting to CATIA V5 to V6 3D experience. So what is difference between CATIA V5 and 3D experience? Okay, CATIA V5 it's a traditional desktop based CAD software and data are stored locally on the user machine or local server. But in 3D experience it's a cloud based platform, meaning that software and data are hosted on remote server and user can access them throughout the web browser. This is allow for better collaboration and data management. In CATIA V5 is typically done through file based sharing. User needs to share CATIA file and collaboration is limited to traditional method like email and file transfer. But in 3D experience, it allow user to work on the same project simultaneously with a real-time update and version control. User can collaborate in more integrated and connected environment. Okay, here is the few examples in aerospace, which company they are using CATIA software. In Airbus, HAL, Dassault Aviation, Spirit, Safran, Boeing. Uh, these are the companies they are using CATIA, and I'll show you a few more examples. Examples Lockheed Martin, Korean Aerospace Industries, Comac, Sonaka, Textron, Augusta Westland. So these are the aerospace company they are using CATIA. So it doesn't mean they are not using different softwares. There will be the chances they are using different CAD as well. But as per my understanding, in aerospace, company will prefer go with CATIA software only because they have a lot of advantages in creating aerodynamic shape and sheet metals. So that's why they are preferring CATIA software. In I know there is in Airbus there are a lot of vacancies for CATIA CAA, CATIA automation in HL exam. If you clear exam, then only you can enter in HAL. So these are the companies. So we will see in automobile sector which company they are using CATIA software and which company they are using development. They are doing CATIA CAA or automation development customization. So this is the Tata Motor. Tata in Tata Group, obviously they are using CATIA software. They are having a lot of requirement as well for CATIA CAA V5 3D experience development in TTL Tata Technology as well. So in Goodyear they developed their lot of applications in CATIA V5. Same thing in Michelin. Still they are using V5 only. These are the Goodyear and Michelin are the tire company. They are working in tire domain. I think everyone aware about this Goodyear and Michelin tire. So they are using CATIA for design and for development as well, customization for and the same thing Honda, Lamborghini, and BMW also they are using CATIA CA in Volkswagen. Um, in Volkswagen also they are using CATIA CA. These are the companies they are using. These are the brand they are using CATIA softwares. Dassault System CATIA softwares. Here is the Skoda, Renault, Scania, Jaguar, JLR. Now Tata Motor they acquire JLR, Jaguar Land Rover, Fiat, Rivian, Protestra. Karma is the Chinese car manufacturing company. So this is the Gili one group. It's a big group. They acquire a lot of big brand like Volvo, Proton, Lotus, Polestar. Gili is the Chinese multinational automobile company headquartered in Hangzhou. This company is private, privately held by Chinese entrepreneur Li Shefu. it established in 1986. Okay, so I'll show you in history when they acquire Volvo and different cars. Here is a Lotus they acquire in 2017. They Gilly Holding Group own 51% in Lotus, and same thing with same thing with Volvo Cars. Volvo Cars is owned 78%, 78.7% by Gilly Holding Groups. Gilly Holding Groups acquire Volvo Cars from Ford Motor Company in 2010. Same thing with Polestar. These are the big brands. Gilly Holding Group, Gilly Automobile, they acquire these brands. Okay. CATIA software they are not only using in aerospace and automobile industry, they are using in marine, um, even in rail transport, in construction, agriculture as well, in energy, industrial equipment. um, I'll show you these are the examples for marine: General Dynamic Electrical Board, Bencho, CNM, Hessen, and in rail transportation, Altos CAF. Here is the some example of construction and agriculture: Josan, Metso, Class, mm, mm, Matsio. In energy sector also CATIA software is using Suzlon, Gamesa. In industrial equipment field they are using CATIA softwares. These are the few examples. These companies they are using CATIA softwares: ABB, Eaton, Johnson Controls, Nokia. Okay, so this is the examples where CATIA softwares they are using. It's a good information. Please like, subscribe,